Greetings to everyone on this platform. Are you ready to take control of the digital world? Welcome to our beginners computer training course. Whether you are still a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, this course is designed to empower you with the essential computer skills for today's digital age. Learn at your pace, get certified, and become digitally empowered. Our course is structured into 6 exciting modules, each designed to take you from a beginner into a confident computer user. Module 1, Understanding Computers. You learn the basics. Module 2, Hardware and Peripherals. You get familiar with the computer parts. Module 3, Software and Operating System. You master the tools you need to be creative in any industry. Module 4, Internet and Digital Communication, successfully and effectively. Module 5, Digital Productivity Tools, enhance your workflow. Module 6, Introduction to Programming Concept, take your first steps into coding. Final assessment and certifications are included in this package. By the end of this course, you will navigate computers with ease, use software efficiently, communicate digitally with confidence, enhance productivity with smart tools, gain a strong foundation for advanced learning. Your digital transformation starts here. In today's world, computer literacy is not a luxury, it is a necessity. This course is perfect for you if you want to stay competitive, improve your job search skills and prospect, start an online business, or boost your digital confidence. Master digital skills and secure your future. The best part of this course is that you can learn from anywhere. All you need is a computer, a laptop, a tablet, or even a smartphone. No prior experience needed, just your device. Sign up today and become part of our Smart Cities learning community. Get real-time support, interact with fellow learners, and earn a certificate to boost your career. Download the Smart Cities app from the App Store and Play Store to start your journey. Are you ready to start? Click the link in the description section or the first link in the comment section. Sign up now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with latest infos. Let us make the digital world yours. Comment, like, sign up, share, and subscribe. Thank you and stay blessed. I remain your presenter and your instructor, the most esteemed one, of course, Kinzuka and Dibirju from iGlobe.